All right, now this is different because it says how much money will he owe at the end of 1 month? So 1 month is 1 divided by 12. Okay, it's one part of 1 year, 1 month out of 12, right? If he makes no other charge. So how much money will he owe? Okay, so this one, 425 times 0.099 times 1 ABC 12. $3.51. Remember, you have to round to the nearest penny. This came out to be 3.50625, and you can't charge all those extra places. So round to the second decimal place. The third decimal place is a 6, so 0 goes up to a 1. I know a lot of students are having trouble rounding, so make sure that you're doing it properly. All right, last one, and this is where it gets the trickiest. All so far, we've been solving for the interest. We've solved for regular interest with years, rate, principal. We changed the time from years to months. Now we're going to solve for the rate. Maggie is taking out a student loan for $2,600. Okay, so far so good. That's the principal, how much you start with. She plans on paying off the loan in 3 years. Okay, that's the time. That's good. At the end of 3 years, Maggie will have paid the interest. Okay, so this is different. We don't know the R. So, not a big deal because we've solved equations like this many times before. This is just a simple equation. First, we need to put these numbers together. What is 2,600 times 3? Because in order to get the R by itself, we need to get those two numbers together. 2,600 times 3 is 7,800. So 7,800 R equals 390. Now to get the R by itself, it's 7,800 times R. We have to undo multiplication. The opposite of multiplication is division. So 390 divided by 7,800 is 0.05. Now remember, R stands for, whoops, I don't know what I'm writing there. Let's rewrite it over here. R stands for the interest rate. They gave us a decimal. So how do you turn a decimal back to a percent? You move it twice to the right, 1, 2, or you can multiply it by 100. It's a 5% interest rate. Okay? And there you have it. We solved for interest. We solved for interest rate. It's in months. We solved for the interest rate. Any questions? Shoot me an email. Talk to me in class. Message me in Canvas. Have a great day. Do whatever it takes to dominate this lesson. Talk to you soon.